I'm Alex Alpharaoh, actor, writer, solo performer, artivist from Los Angeles, California. I was born in Guatemala City, Guatemala, and my mother brought me to the United States when she was a 15-year-old unaccompanied minor, and I was only 3 months old. The Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program changed the entire trajectory of my life. I had been undocumented in the United States for 30 years before President Barack Obama signed the executive order allowing undocumented immigrants that were brought here as children through no fault of their own to have an opportunity to be able to acquire work permits and have some sort of legal presence in the United States. In 2013, when I became a DACA recipient, I was finally able to get a job, a driver's license, and begin to build my life here in the United States, which has been the only home that I have ever known. But I still don't have a voice. We need the support of not just the community, but of congressional leaders so that there can be a path to legalization, so that DACA is just the first step into becoming a full-fledged citizen of the United States. Without Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, I might not have been able to provide for myself and my family the way that I have. I am a professional artist now because of the opportunities that came to me after I was able to apply and qualify for Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. Since receiving DACA in 2013, I became a member of the Actors Union for both stage, TV, and film. I am also a member of the Dramatists Guild of America as a professional writer. I am grateful for the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program, and I'm also grateful for the Advance Parole program that allowed me to visit my ailing grandfather in 2017 so that I could meet him for the first time. Unfortunately, my grandfather passed away shortly after that visit in January of 2017. Without Advance Parole, I would not have been able to have met him and be able to show him what my mother's sacrifice of bringing me to the United States had accomplished. That although I had never met him, I understood and I was connected to who he was as a human being, and that I would spend my life making sure that he would be proud of me. Thank you so much for all of your help and all of your support in supporting documented individuals like myself, dreamers from all over the country who just want an opportunity to be able to solidify their place here in the United States of America.